there. You seem so very busy. Did you ever stop and think if what you do is sustainable? And what is sustainable development? Sustainable development is to make the world a better place for everyone without destroying the possibilities for the next generations. If you wonder if something is sustainable, then you can ask this question to yourself. Can I do this over and over again? Sustainable development means that we need to keep three things in mind. And what are those three things? Social progress, economic development, climate and environment. So first, climate and environment. We need to take care of our planets. We have many natural ecosystems that must be in balance in order for us to live here. The ecosystem is one of them. This system ensures that the temperature correct and that the atmosphere emits exactly the right amount of solar energy. How we produce and use energy is incredibly important. Oil is an example of an energy that we may run out of. Wind, water, and sun, however, will always be here. When we emit harmful greenhouse gases can flood the atmosphere. This changes the temperature on Earth, which again affects our development. That is why we need to take care of our climate and environment, because everything we have came from environment. Next, economic development. Almost everything we buy, we develop, and we trade starts with the nature. The smarter we use our natural resources, the more sustainable we are. Equal distribution of things can make a difference. Last, social progress. We human beings are part of nature. We are also considered as resources because we have our minds that can create greater things and creative things. Having equal treatment, safety, food, and medicine provides greater opportunities for us as human beings and also for our planets where we live in. To sum it up, growth must be accomplished with respect to nature and humankind. Social progress, economic development, and climate and environment must work together to have sustainable development. That's all for this video. I hope that you learned something about sustainable development. Thank you for watching.